Hey everyone, this is Mr. McGinn. I had this crazy idea that I would start doing some screen capture videos to kind of show you guys how I would explain evidence in the text after reading the text. So you still have to read the text. This video is not going to solve all of your problems. But the first thing you want to do is you want to scroll down to read and mark the text. You'll pull up the text. I already have it up here, right? And then you'll open up your step three, which is where you cite all of your evidence and explain your evidence to create body paragraphs. Now, I'll probably do another video on how to create body paragraphs, but for today, I just want to focus on citing evidence. So, for instance, if we wanted to talk about the princess being jealous of the maiden behind the door as one reason that she might pick the tiger, we could find evidence for that, right? I know for a fact that there's this part where they talk about glances and how the princess is jealous because this young lady is glancing at or looking at her man, right? In case you guys haven't paid attention in class, here's a trick. You hold control, you press F, and it will pull up this window that says find in document, right? If I delete that, it says find in document, right? And if you type the word glances, it will find any time that word glances is used. So these two ones, and you can hit enter to switch between them, right? So this evidence starts right here. Often had she seen or imagined that she had seen this fair creature throwing glances of admiration upon the person of her lover. And it ends about right here. So I'm going to hold control, press C to copy that, right? Go back to my step three, and I'm going to paste it right here. Okay, I still have to go through here and get rid of the highlight by clicking highlight and then clicking none, right? And then I just put the paragraph number and I put quotation marks around it like this. Okay. And I think that was from paragraph 10. I'm not 100% sure, but you will be when you write your essay. All right. In your own words, you might explain that this shows that the young maiden was casting glances at the youth that the princess was in love with, right? Because that's just literally what's happening in this quote. Now, you'll notice that there's like a sentence starter right here. If then, something to think about. So, if the young maiden was casting glances of admiration at the youth, then it is possible that this would make the princess jealous. And if she was super jealous, she might pick the tiger, right? Because we're thinking that if she's jealous, she'll probably pick the tiger, right? So if the young maiden was casting glances of admiration at the youth, comma, right, dependent, independent, then it is possible that this would make her jealous. If she was jealous, she might pick the tiger, right? That's kind of how we fill out these evidence charts here. You always want to put your reason first because that sort of guides everything you do after that, right? The next video will probably be on like how to create a support paragraph using the information that we did right here. All right. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. All right.